Hello everyone, I am Rishikesh. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn board science stream which comes under quantitative aptitude. Before this I have completed simple interest chapter. The link of that video I will give in description. You can go and check that chapter also. So first in this we are going to learn all the formulas which we need to solve the problems. After that we will move towards the questions. Okay. सो जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, फर्स्ट हमें डाउन स्ट्रीम एंड अपस्ट्रीम ये दो टर्म्स क्या है वो जानना है. ठीक है. इन वाटर द डायरेक्शन अलोंग द स्ट्रीम इज कॉल्ड डाउन स्ट्रीम. मतलब बोट और वाटर का फ्लो अगर दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में है तो हम उसे क्या कहेंगे, डाउन स्ट्रीम. ओके. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, फ्लो ऑफ द स्ट्रीम एंड फ्लो ऑफ बोट जिस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं दोनों एक है तो क्या होगा, वो डाउनस्ट्रीम होगा. एंड द डायरेक्शन अगेंस्ट द स्ट्रीम इज कॉल्ड अपस्ट्रीम. मतलब अगर समझिए वाटर का फ्लो जो है राइट साइड है और जो बोट जा रहे हैं वो अपोजिट जा रही है तो वो क्या होगा, अपस्ट्रीम. ओके. ये जो टर्म्स है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि पूरे चैप्टर में ये टर्म्स कंटिन्यूसली रिपीट्स होंगे. सो आपको याद रखना होगा कि डाउनस्ट्रीम मतलब क्या है और अपस्ट्रीम मतलब क्या, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. ओके. सिंपल टेक्निक ध्यान रखिए. और डाउनस्ट्रीम मतलब क्या है, सेम डायरेक्शन. ओके. I think everyone got these two terms. Okay. Again let me tell you that downstream means that the direction along the stream is called downstream, where the direction against the stream is called as upstream. Okay. Everyone got this? Let's move to the next question. Okay. So there are few formulas more. Okay. If the speed boat in still water is u km/h, so u क्या है, बोट की स्पीड है. एंड द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम यानी जो रिवर है या फिर पानी उसका क्या स्पीड है, v है. तो हम स्पीड ऑफ डाउन स्ट्रीम और अपस्ट्रीम कैसे निकालेंगे, देखिए डाउन स्ट्रीम क्या है, दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में जा रहे तो क्या होगा, एडिशन. ओके. u प्लस v बोथ आर गोइंग इन सेम डायरेक्शन, देयरफॉर एडिशन. एंड इन केस ऑफ अपस्ट्रीम they are going boat is going opposite, so we will subtract. Okay. So whenever we have to find the speed of downstream we will use the formula u plus v, that is speed of boat plus speed of stream. And in case of upstream we will subtract that. Okay. I think everyone got this. If you know these two terms then and then you can only find that speed in still water and rate of stream. Okay. Next, if the speed of downstream is a kilometer and the speed of upstream is b kilometer, how can you find the speed of downstream and upstream? Whether they will directly mention that downstream speed is this and upstream is else, they will give some parameters and you have to find the downstream and upstream. Okay. After finding that, how to find speed in still water, directly we will add and divide it by 2, that is still water, that is water is not moving. And rate of stream, sometimes stream is also called as current of stream. Okay. Means moving water, which we can find by subtracting a minus b by 2. So basically there are four formulas. Speed of downstream will be u plus v and all the units are in km/h. Okay. Important one. And speed of upstream is u minus v km/h. Okay. And the speed of still water will be a plus b by 2, where a is downstream, b is upstream, and rate of stream is a minus b by 2. I think everyone got this. Okay. Let's move towards next slide. Okay. So let's start the problems. Okay. So as you can see, first read the question and try to find the given data. Okay. The speed of boat when traveling the downstream. Okay. So they are providing us the downstream. Let's take downstream as a. What is that? 32 km/h. Whereas when traveling upstream, so take upstream as b, that is 28 km/h. I will mention here a as डाउन, बी एच अप. ओके. स्ट्रीम से ये दोनों. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ बोट इन स्टिल वाटर एंड स्पीड ऑफ स्ट्रीम? सो व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ, फॉर्मूला फॉर स्पीड इन स्टिल वाटर इज a plus b by 2. So add this 32 plus 28 by 2, that will be 60. So that the first we got the answer as 30 kilometer per hour. This will be speed in still water. Okay, and same for the rate of stream, that is the speed of stream will be a minus b by 2. So what is a? 32 minus 28 by 2, that will be 4 by 2, that is 2 kilometer per hour. So we got both. Speed of still water will be, speed of still water is 30 kilometer per hour, whereas speed of stream equal to 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, sometimes if they give the units in meter, we have to convert them into kilometer per hour. Okay, I think everyone got this question. You must know the formulas. Okay, so first learn and try to remember all the formulas. Okay, so let's move towards next question. A man takes 3 hours 45 minutes, okay, to row a boat of 15 kilometer. So they are providing us the distance, time, 15 kilometer downstream. So they have mentioned that for downstream he requires 3 hours and 45 minutes to row the 15 kilometer of a river and 2 hours 30 minutes to cover a distance of 5 kilometer upstream. Find the speed of a river current. Okay, current. So that is, we have to find the rate of stream. So first we have to find the rate of downstream. Okay, so we don't know the speed, they have mentioned all the distance and that. So directly we have, for finding the speed, formula is distance by time. Okay, everyone know this is the basic formula. So they have mentioned the kilometers as distance as 15 divided by 3 hours 45 minutes can be converted as 3 by 4, which I can write 4 is 12 plus 2, that is 15 by 4. Okay, so 3 by 4, so this becomes 15 by 4, that is 4. Okay, so 15 get cancelled, we got the answer as 4 kilometer per hour. So what is this? We got our rate of downstream. Okay, so I will just erase this and directly write the rate of downstream. Okay, so we need that later also. So rate of downstream is now 4 kilometer per hour. Now we have to find the rate of upstream also. For finding speed in speed of stream, you must know both downstream and upstream. Same for rate of upstream also. Same formula, distance by speed. So see, to cover the distance of 5 kilometers, so distance is 5 upon 2 hours and convert this into 1 by 2, that is 2.5. Okay, so I can directly write as 2.5. So answer is 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, so I got both rate of upstream and rate of downstream, right? So rate of upstream is 2 kilometer per hour. So what we have to find the speed of river in current. Current means that river is running, that is the rate of stream. You must understand these words. Okay, these are the tricky word that they use, so we get confused. So whenever they use current, so you have to find the rate of stream. Okay, so what is the formula for rate of stream? A minus B. What is A? That is downstream speed, 4 minus 2 by 2. Okay, so 2 by 2 will be 1. So rate of stream will be 1 kilometer per hour. Easy, right? Just you must know the formulas and you have that much mindset to get the given data from the questions. Okay, I think everyone got this question. Let's move towards the next one. So the speed of motor boat is that of the current of water. First remember, speed of motor boat is means here the dot will come, is that of the current water. So speed of water is 36 ratio to 5. So directly we can take x as the mandatory term. Okay, let's take the x. Okay, so let's take the speed of motor boat and the current b. So let's directly write here. Speed of boat will be, I am taking a common multiplier, that is x, 36x, and the current water, that is speed of speed of current water will be 5x. Okay, the boat goes along with the current in 5 hours 10 minutes. How much time will it take to come back? Okay, so they have given us the downstream rate time for that. Okay, so first we will find that. Okay, so as you know, so first what will do the how we find the speed of downstream? U plus V. So what is U here? 36x plus 5x, so that will be 41x. so we got the downstream speed rate. Okay, I am just deleting this, I will directly take the, okay, I think everyone got this, how I find the speed of downstream. Just add it, and for upstream we will subtract. So first we found that will be 41x. Okay, so as you know, we know the time, we don't know distance, but we know the speed. So let's take the distance be d, distance by speed equal to time. What is time? 5 hours into 10 by 60, that will be divided, and remain is 5 6 the 30, 31 by 6. So I can directly write here. If someone don't know how I am solving this, see, 0 0 get cancelled. Now multiply 5 into 6 plus 1, so 5 6 are 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. Okay, now I think you got. Okay, so here that will be 31 by 6. Now just solve this equation, you will get the value of x in terms of what you will get the value of d. Okay, so d equal to, multiply it, 31 into 41x by 6, so we get the d as 1271x by 6. We got the value of d. Now we will, what we have to find, how much time will it take to come back? Okay, so again same distance. Now come back means he is going first downstream. Now we have to find the upstream speed. As I mentioned, we will find the upstream by subtracting this. So this will be 31x. So we know the speed of upstream also. Okay, just let me delete this. So now we know the upstream, we know the downstream, we know the d. We get the one condition from there, that is d equal to 1271x by 6. Now we will use that for upstream. So distance by, what is the speed of upstream? That is 31x equal to time. So if you don't understand this, I am using just basic formula. Time equal to distance by speed. Okay, this is really basic formula, you must know that. Okay, so again distance they don't have, so we are taking d, then speed is upstream. Okay, he is coming back, that's why I am taking 31x. First I take 41x because he was going, that is downstream. Okay, so d by 31x equal to, what is the time? How much time will it take to come back? Okay, now you have to understand what they are using. Okay, so first we have to find the time. We don't know this. Okay, but we know the d. Put d, the value of d at that is 1271x by 6 into 31x. xx get cancelled, so we directly get our time. So time will be 41 by 6 hours. You can get by solving also, and we can write this also as 6 5 6. See how I read, 6 is the 36 plus 5, 41 by 6. Okay, so basic, it is very simple. Just find the value, later on put that in time equal to distance by speed formula. Both first check, let me tell you again, I have erased everything. See, first they are mentioning the current of water as 36 is to 5. So we got 36 and 5 multiply by x, so 36x plus 5x. Okay, next the boat goes along with the current 5 hours 10 minutes. Okay, so what they are providing us, the boat goes along with the current, that is downstream, and how much time it will take to come back. So come back means it is coming in opposite direction. We know opposite means upstream. So first find the downstream distance, later on put that distance in upstream. Okay, try to solve it. If you don't understand, ask your questions in comment box, so I will answer it. Okay, so let's move to the next question. This is the fourth question. a man can row 6 km per hour in still water. It takes him twice as long to row up as down. Okay, so this is the very tricky question. They are using some words which can confuse you. So first understand this. Okay, it takes him twice as long to row up as to row down, means he takes 2x times to row down in case of x. Let's take the man's upstream be x. Okay, so downstream will be, it takes him twice, so downstream will be basically it is 2x. Read questions properly. Okay, if you take this as upstream as 2x, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, so here is the clear, man's upstream will be x kilometer upstream speed. Okay, and downstream speed will be 2x kilometer per hour. A man can row 6 km in still water. They are already providing us what they are asking. Find the rate of stream. Again, rate of stream means downstream minus upstream. Okay, so we will find that directly. So rate, first we will find the rate in still water because they are already providing in that. Okay, so we can find something from that. Will be half of a plus b, because the rate of still water is formula a plus b. What is a? X plus 2x, so that will be 3x by 2, right? Everyone got this? So rate of still water they are already given, so we can put that. So 6 equal to 3x by 2, 6 comes here, so 6 2s are 12, divided by 3, we get the x as 4. So we get the x, so we can directly get our upstream. So our upstream will be 4 km per hour and our downstream is 8 km per hour. I put the values here. Okay, so we got both up and down. Now what we have to find? The rate of stream. So rate of stream will be formula a minus b by 2. What is a? 8 minus 4 by 2, that will be 4 by 2. So answer is 2 km per hour. I think everyone got this. Again, read the questions properly. A man can row 6 km in still water. So you got the speed of still water. Okay, later on he mentioned that it takes him twice as long as to row up as to row down. So he takes 2 times more times to downstream. For upstream he takes x. Okay, so we take that. Later on we know the rate of still water, so we can formula use that, half of a plus b. What is a? 2x, and what is b? X. Sorry, so half of x plus 2x, we got that. Then 3x by 2, but rate of still in water we know that is 6, so 6 equal to 3x by 2. Okay, then divide it and you get the value of x. Okay, later on put that value here. Okay, so you got the upstream and downstream, just then formula rate of stream. Okay, that is a minus b. What is a? 8. What is b? 4. I think everyone got this. Let's move to the next question. Okay, don't go by that question is too big, so we can't solve. There is nothing big. They are just mentioning some sentences. Okay, try to find out the given data. Okay, it is very simple, and there is also one formula here. I will take that. First read the question. There is a road beside a river. Two friends started from A, moved to temples situated at another place B, and returned to A again. So first they started from this to there. They reached there and then come back again. Okay, so then what? One of them moves on a cycle at the speed of 12 km. So let's take the person on a cycle. Okay, so he goes and comes. So what, he goes with the 12 km speed, simple, and comes with also 12 km speed. So what is his total time? 24 kilometers. Basic, simple. Other sails on a boat at the speed of 10 km per hour. If the river flows at the rate of 4 km per hour, in which of the two friends will return at the place for the first? Very simple, very simple. Let me tell you. First, you got the average time for this. So cyclist will require 24 kilometer. Okay, he has to travel that much time. Okay, so let's find next. We will find another one also. So average speed will be same. So 12 divided by 2, so will be average speed of A will be, cyclist will be 12 km per hour. But in case of boat, we must know that what is the speed of that 10 km per hour of the boat, and for water that is 4. So for downstream we will add that is 14. For upstream we will subtract, that is 6. Add this and find the average. So we will get the average as 10 km per hour. So simple, find. See, boat get the average of 10 km hour and cyclist get the average of 12 kilometers hour. So who will get there first? Okay, who will return there first? Cyclist will be greater. He will return at the first because the average speed is greater, that is 12 km per hour. In case of boat it is 10 km. Why boat can't come? Because it moves downstream and upstream. In case of downstream the speed will be added with the river, but in case of upstream it will be subtracted. Okay, for finding this you must know the formulas for downstream, that is here it is A plus B, and for upstream A minus B. For cyclist that is same, he will go with the same speed and come with the same speed, so we will directly divide by 2 to get the average. Okay, so 24 km by 2, that is 12. Here also it goes with 14 km and comes with 6 km. So what is the speed? That is 10 km per hour. We have find the average. Okay, remember that. Here it comes 20 divided by 2 to get the average. Okay, we got this 20 divided by 2 to get the average. Here also we got 24 divided by 2 to get the answer, that is 12. I think everyone got this. Okay, it is very simple. In RS Agarwal they have provided another method, but I think this is the best method to get the answer within 1 minute. Okay, everyone got this? Still I will suggest you to check the answer in RS Agarwal book. You will get one more logic. Okay, next, a man can row 7.5, that is 7.4 km per hour in still water. Okay, km per hour in still water. Okay, if in a river running at 1.5 km an hour, it takes him 50 minutes to row to the place and back. Okay, so for going and coming back, he total time, okay, 50 minutes to row to the place, means he is going and then coming back, so total time is 50 minutes. How far is the place? So we have to find the distance. So first we will find the speed of man is 7.5 and a river is running with the kilometer of 1.5. so we get the value. This is u, this is v. So downstream will be, you have to solve these types of question 2 to 3 times, so you will get the speed. Okay, u plus v, that is, so downstream will be 9 km per hour, where the upstream is, we have to subtract, that is u minus v, that will be 6 km per hour. Okay, everyone got this question? Okay, now we don't know the distance, but we know the formula, that is distance by speed equal to time. So they have provided the time, that is 50 minutes. Convert that 50 minutes to cover 50 by hour. Okay, so what is the distance? We have to add downstream and upstream to get the total. So what is the downstream? 9 km per hour is the speed, so x by 9 km, okay, sorry 9 plus again x by 6 km. So we have to take the addition for both. Okay, because for what he say, it takes him 50 minutes to row to the place. So first he is going and then coming back. So for going this is down and for coming it is up. So we have to add this to get the total time, that is 50 minutes. So x plus 9, x by 9 plus x by 6 equal to 50 by 6, that is 5 by 6. So so solve this equation to get the answer. You will get the answer as 2x plus 3x equal to 5 by 6 into 18. Okay, 6 3s are 15, so 5x equal to 15, that is x equal to 3. So distance is 3 km. Always mention the units. Okay, sometimes in MCQ they will just give the MCQ as 3 km, 3 meters. So answer must be 3 km, sorry, because all the units are in kilometer per hours. Okay, that is the standard. So what is the, we got the x is our distance, that is x, that is 3. I think everyone got this. First find the downstream and upstream. Okay, later on use this formula everywhere in the boat and stream. we are going to use this formula, just distance by speed equal to time, whatever, just changes the unit, like distance by time equal to speed, or we have to find the distance, then distance equal to cross multiply time into speed. Okay, so you remember this formula and try to utilize this formula in the formula problem. Okay, everyone got this? So next question, a boat goes 8 km upstream and then returns. So they don't provide us the downstream rate, just they have given 8 km upstream. Total time, again total time means we have to add the total time they are given, then we have to find the total distance by speed, that will be total also. So for total distance, that is upstream plus downstream. You must understand this concept, okay, else you will unable to solve. So first they are providing us 8 km as upstream. Later on they are saying that the total time taken is 4 hours 16 minutes. Convert this 60 minutes to hour. If the velocity of the current is 1 km per hour, find the actual velocity of the boat. So first let actual velocity be the x. Okay, take it as x. Okay, x kilometer per hour. Then speed of downstream will be, as they are mentioning, the velocity of current, that is velocity of water 1. So downstream means x plus 1. Understand that, that is downstream we find by u plus v. So v is x but u is 1, so x plus 1 will be downstream, and in case of upstream that will be x minus 1. Okay, everyone got this? These are the important things. Now just formula, simple, total time equal to distance by speed. So we know the distance, we know the speed, we know the time. Just put in that equation to get the answer. So what is the distance? 8 km by x plus 1 plus 8 km by x minus 1 equal to total time, that is 4 hours 16 minutes by, convert this 1660. Okay, so get this cancel, 8. Okay, divide it properly, will get the answer. So this becomes, after solving, this becomes 64 by 15. Okay, so I can directly write, okay, I won't write. So next, then 8 by x plus 1, do the cross multiplication. Okay, you will get the equation as 30x equal to, I am directly writing, okay, because I don't want to make the video lengthy, x square minus 1. Okay, so just after that solve the equation and you will get the x as 4. So directly we get the actual velocity, that is 4. Okay, hence the actual velocity of the boat will be, whenever we want to find, okay, actual velocity, then we have to put that. Okay, just give a minute. Watch the answer again. Okay, we are going to learn the next question now. Okay, solve this question again and again to get the exact answer. Okay, so we got the x as 4 km per hour. Okay, so next, a boatman rows, just last 2 questions are these. Okay, basically I have taken 9 questions with the different types of given data. Okay, solve each and every type of question, you can solve any question. Okay, a boatman rows to place 45 km distant and back in 20 hours. Okay, he finds that he can row 12 km with the stream in the same time as 4 km against the stream. Okay, with the stream means downstream and against means this is upstream and this is one is the downstream. Okay, so find the speed of the stream. Okay, easy question, not that hard. First, suppose he moves 12 km, which stream? That is downstream. Okay, in x hours, they don't mention that because they have just given 20. Okay, x hours. Okay, then remaining 4 km upstream in So first we got this, he moves 12 kilometer downstream in x hours. Okay, so we can directly find the speed of downstream. Speed of downstream will be distance by time, that is 12 by x. For upstream that will be 4 by x. Okay, 12 by x, what is 12 is the distance, and we have taken x as the speed, sorry, x as the time. Okay, so speed of distance downstream will be distance by time, that is 12 by x, and for upstream also distance, that is 4 by x. So we got these two terms, right? So what we have to do now? Now I directly write here that the downstream will be, I am not writing down I have written. Okay, so that will be 12 by x, where up is 4 by x. So directly we have the formula, total distance equal to total distance by speed equal to time. So what is the distance? 45. What is the speed? 12 by x plus 45. Again for upstream, that is 4 by x, equal to what is the time they are given? 20 hours. Okay, so we can directly take here 20. Now we have to solve this, okay, to get the answer. After solving this, first you will get that x by 12. Okay, just so, take the common. Okay, plus x by 4 equal to 20 by 45. After solving this, you will get that x by 3 equal to 4 by 9 equal to x equal to 4 by 3. So you got this. So now we have to find the downstream. We got the x, so put the values. Down equal to 12, multiply by, it get ups. Okay, 3 by 4, 4 3s, so down will be 9 kilometer. After solving up, what is up? 4 by 3 by 4, that is it will be 3. So down and up are 9 kilometer and 3 kilometer. Okay, so what will the speed of downstream? That is 9 kilometer. And what will the speed of upstream? That is 3. Okay, next what they are asking for, find the speed of the stream, that is speed in the current. Simple, a minus b by 2 is the formula for speed of stream. If you don't understand this, watch this video again, you will understand. Okay, in first attempt you don't understand this, you have to solve some questions, you have to solve basic questions to understand this hard level question. Okay, so what is a? 9 minus 3 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3 kilometer. So answer is our 3 kilometer is the answer. Okay, everyone got this? This is not that hard, just it is very simple. Okay, you must understand the given data only. Okay, everyone got this? Next, move to the next question. Okay, a man can row 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream in 13 hours. So they are providing us the distance and time, but we don't know the speed. Also he can row 30 kilometer and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. They are providing us two conditions. Okay, we have to take that condition and solve. Find the speed of the man in still water and speed of in current. So first let's take that the rate of upstream. Okay, upstream as x, and rate of downstream as they have don't mention that, that's why we are taking as y. So they have given us the distance, time, easily we can solve them. So 40, what is that is distance upon downstream, sorry, upon x plus upstream x plus 55 by y equal to what is that time? 13 hours. This is the first condition. And next is 30 kilometer upstream, that is 30 by x plus 44 by y equal to what is the time? 10. This is the second equation. Solve this equation to get the x and y values. After solving these equations, you will get x as 5 and y as 11. Okay, we got this. So very simple. Now we know how we got the x and y. So what we have to find? Speed of man in still water. In still water formula is a plus b by 2. So a plus b is 11 plus 5 by 2. So answer will be 8. So speed in still water is 8. In speed in the current will be minus, that is 11 minus 5 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3 km per hour. So in current water will be 3 km per hour. Okay, everyone got this? Again let me tell you that first see that they have mentioned the distance, two distance for upstream and downstream, but and total time. So we have to take the upstream, let's take the upstream as x, downstream as y. So directly we have the formula total distance by total speed speed equal to total time. So how we find the distance by speed? First we have to add these two. Okay, x plus y, that is 40 by x plus y by 55 by y. What is the total time? 13. We got first equation same. Then 30 kilometer by x plus 44 by y. What is total time? 10. See, they are going and then coming back. For going it is downstream, as it is with the flow, both are in same direction. But here flow is this way and he is coming back in opposite. So this is upstream. To get the total we have to add this, means downstream plus upstream. So how we find the downstream? 40 by x, that is the time for that, plus 50 by y, they are providing the total time. So we have to find here the total. Okay, this is the simple way. Watch this video 2 to 3 times, you will get the trick and logic how to solve these questions. Okay, I have covered now simple interest, boat and stream. Which chapter I should start next? Please do comments and tell me, else I will start time and distance. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel to get all the updates related to off campus drive, and after quantitative aptitude I will start the logical aptitude. Okay, again have a good day. Thanks for watching the video.